Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set the sound feedback accessibility volume on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the settings gear button here. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile. And then you want to go under screen reader where it says talkback. Go ahead and select that. And then under options, select the settings button. And now under audio, select sound and vibration. And now at this point, you can go ahead and adjust the volume settings or set the sound feedback accessibility volume by selecting this option here. So right now you can see it's set to 50% of speech volume. If you click inside of here, you can make it either match the speech volume, 75% of speech volume, 50% of speech volume, or 25% of speech volume, whatever your preference is. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.